Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to show the password saves in Google Chrome when you are just saving your passwords and you want to really reveal the passwords of certain platforms and so on. All what you need to do, go for three dots and then go for settings, and then here you will find autofill and passwords. Here you're gonna be going for Google Password Manager, press it, and then for example I already have password one. I can't reveal it, but I need to get the Windows pin that I logged into my Windows in order to reveal this password. So that's guys how to reveal the passwords that it is saving in Google Chrome, and you can add another password with the website, the username and the password itself and so on. So that's it guys, and you can see the passwords, which is you can have some importing, the exporting and so on. You can do that very easily. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel guys, and like and share the video. Peace.